Thank you very much. Welcome to African Language Technology by Nokwary Technologies Limited. My name is David Sampa. I'm a co-founder and the CEO. At Nokwary, we use African language technology to enable secure financial inclusion. The future is voice, and voice is the solution to illiteracy. Let me tell you why. Meet Auntie Amma. Don't be deceived by a smile. Auntie Amma cannot read or write basic English, so therefore she does not have a bank account. What she does have is a mobile money account, which is a dominant form of payment in Africa. Because she cannot read or write, she has memorized the sequence of the application. But unfortunately for her, the bank changed the order of their USSD application, which resulted in a wrong transaction. As I speak to you now, she's trying to retrieve that wrong transaction. So the next time she got the help of a friend by sharing a password and a PIN for a successful transaction. So she is happy, that's why she's smiling. But her friend is smiling more because now she knows the password and the PIN for Auntie Amma's mobile money account, which is a security concern that needs to be addressed. Illiteracy stands at 43% for female and 21% for male. Our solution is a voice transaction platform and a voice notification platform that can be integrated with any digital financial service platform to allow people to securely access digital financial services in the language of their choice. For smartphone users, we use WhatsApp. For feature phone, we use IVR, and we send SMS voice notification as well. Mobile money account users in Africa stand close to 400 million users, and these users are transacting about $28.6 billion annually, and this is a growing trend. Our direct competitor is USSD. Coupled with the technical issues for USSD is still English-centered, and a lot of illiteracy users are finding difficulty with it, and that poses the security breach where they depend on family and friends and other and they also don't understand the notification, so they can't verify whether the transaction they did is correct or not. And we believe voice is the solution, for this as well. In terms of revenue, we charge our partner financial institution commission for every customer that onboards onto our platform, as well as we take transaction fee for every transaction they perform on that platform. We have a functioning prototype. We have a partnership with a bank in Ghana, and this bank has got present in over 30 other African countries. April this year, we got a 50,000 grant to get more data sets on the Akan and the Gan language in Ghana, and this would increase the accuracy of our machine learning model. We're releasing our first platform December this year. We're asking for $100,000 as investment in equity, and this is going to, 50% of this is going towards building the capacity of our engineers to maintain and expand the language that we cover beyond December 2021. But more importantly, we are looking for partnership within the financial service delivery. And we believe that this digital financial inclusion can be a collaboration between us, Nokwary, offering a voice solution that is in the language of it, or is the native language, alongside the financial service provider, would be a successful collaboration. In terms of our impact towards the SDG, our solution is innovative and is going to bring a change into the industry in terms of natural language system in the voice, in the local language in Africa. And this would empower local financial service providers to expand their reach and remove any inequality that illiteracy brings on board. This is the team. Few references. Thank you very much.